120.
That's good news then. Because the last time
They took all the Sheffield signs down.
Presumably, a lot of club members will still fly there.
Yeah.
Because they won't be recognised as being the ones who have the issues with the car. I bet they don't go there.
I mean, there's one guy who goes there,